on the road. Our plan is to stop and get some gas right here, some extra oil for the KLR, and then hit the trail.
Gas station up that way too.
Are we good that way? That's fine.
Alright, we're in the lane.
But get some gas, oil, some well, I got some water, so I don't need water. And then we're just a few miles from the trail and then back on it. Got roughly 5 to 6 hour drive. Got some fuel, added some oil to the KLR, which took an entire quart. Back on the trail. So I went back and watched my videos last night and I'm really upset. So Jared went on to the hotel to get the room set up or get checked in. I went on further onto the trail, which was just like an extra 10-15 minutes. It wasn't too bad, but it was War Loop Road, and that War Loop Road is going to be a pretty difficult section. Much more difficult now because it's all washed out. But of course I filmed it, and I was really excited to go back and watch it. I don't know if it was just the camera settings, which I changed them just so I could see stuff like this. But it was so dark. Of course it was 7 at night, or in the evening. Plenty of light in the sunshine, however it was like completely covered in forest. It was dark. I'm like, I don't know, I'm real upset. You can like see the glow of my phone. That's pretty much it. And I was really excited to post that, and I feel like people who who wanted to do the Transamerica Trail, those are the kind of things you search for. Like, well, let me see the War Loop Road, or let me see the difficult sections. And that's unfortunate that I don't have any bit of that. Look at the haze of this water. All the water has that haze. Anyway, so I felt like that was a total fail. Even I clearly changed the setting and it didn't save or something. I don't know, but I knew it was going to be dark. Tried to plan for it, and I still messed it up. But it is what it is. I have one of the most popular sections of the trail not recorded. Yes. Whatever. Just gotta do better. But either way, I'm still having a really good time. Riding a motorcycle for an entire month. It's a blast. But onward we go. I got some cell phone service.
Huh?
I got service.
Down a couple times tonight.
That was rough, wasn't it? We've also been riding for almost an hour, so I figured we could stop again. And we're at that 1 o'clock mark. All together. Yeah, it was rough back through there.
What's that?
It was a little rough.
Huh?
A little rough back there. Alright, let's see here. Let's see where we're at. Got some music playing. We've been on the trail for a few hours now, and in order to make our next destination, we're going to have to Google Map it, which actually runs kind of along the trail. It intersects and kind of parallels the trail at times. So that's the plan. Ooh, a little nap. But we have 4 hours and 18 minutes. And we will be in... Gosh, I swear, I forgot the name of that place again. Whatever, we'll be there. We are only 3 minutes away, less than 2 miles to our hotel, and I am spent. It's taken much longer than anticipated, but we're here. So I'm going to sign off now because I'll forget later, as always. The plan tomorrow is to finish up Oklahoma, just to get through it. I think we're going to go to Boise City. But tonight, showers, food, sleep. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you all tomorrow.